In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any low microphone volume issues on your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to your taskbar in the bottom right hand side of the screen, and we're going to right click on the volume icon and select Sound Settings. Then you need to scroll down until the input section and make sure you have your microphone selected here. If your microphone's selected, then we're just going to come down to the volume slider, and you want to make sure this slider here is turned up to full. Then you can scroll down and click on More Sound Settings at the bottom. From this window, click on the Recording tab, and once again locate your microphone from this list. Make sure it's set to the default device, which you can do just by clicking on it and pressing Set Default. Make sure your microphone is also enabled. It should have a green tick by it. And then we're going to right click on your microphone and click on Properties, click on Levels, and once again make sure this slider is turned up to full. Then we can click on the Advanced tab. From the default format, make sure this is set to the highest number of hertz available. Make sure underneath exclusive mode you have both of these two options checked, and then we can press apply and OK. Now the last thing we're going to do is head over to your start menu and search for Device Manager. From the Device Manager window, click on Audio Inputs and Outputs, and then locate your microphone from this list of inputs. Mine's this Yeti stereo microphone, and we're going to right click on this and click on Properties, click on the Driver tab and select Update Driver, and then just press Search automatically for drivers. Once you've done that, that should have fixed any low volume issues you were having with your microphone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.